bet you I thought maybe there was a whole bunch of these. Oh wait, okay, so it's solar. Oh, okay, yeah, so this is just like a little solar light. Got little lights on the end of them, so it's like a little bloom or whatever. And I think I did think that it was a string of these. That just means if I think it's cool, I'm gonna have to buy 20 of them. Get in the ground. I don't know. Could be cool, could be stupid. It is very cheap either way. It's an instant Temu review on this little solar powered wackadaisical light. And yeah, I love it. And yeah, I need 20 of them. Good job, Temu.